Okay, week 4, cloud. Cloud is this big, massive topic. There are a lot of different types of clouds. There's transformations into cloud. There's migrations to cloud. There's private clouds, public clouds, massively scalable public clouds. There's up-and-comers, Alibaba Cloud. There's existing players, AWS, Azure, Google. But instead, what I'm going to talk about is a cloud center of excellence. The research shows, and I personally have seen, that a successful migration to cloud, a successful adoption of cloud services for an entire enterprise can fundamentally be helped by a cloud center of excellence. There are lots of really good documentation from several of the main cloud providers on how to establish a cloud center of excellence. It's not difficult. The reason it can be a game changer is because a cloud center of excellence can be that champion team that helps you adopt cloud services, that helps you transform your on-premise IT services into cloud-enabled services. And here's the key. A cloud center of excellence doesn't just act as a gateway that says, you have to do these things this way. Instead, they get embedded with the existing teams and tell them, hey, you're doing it this way. You can move it to the cloud exactly like this and do it like for like on the cloud. Or you can do it with these other bolt-on services by transforming into the cloud and get all of this additional benefit. The Cloud Center of Excellence can be champions for new adoptions of cloud. They can identify features and functions and services that you can get on cloud and that can align directly against your existing business IT infrastructure. In the long run, a Cloud Center of Excellence can be dispersed into a DevOps team, can be dispersed into the infrastructure services team as a management to manage the cloud services function. But it's that early adoption and that help for the rest of the organization to move on to cloud services. You can do a cloud service migration without a cloud center of excellence. But from my experience and what I've seen, it tends to be a very slow, organic move into the cloud. And what ends up happening is because cloud services are not adopted as cloud services, instead they're tried to be used as like-for-like services, a lot of the functions don't come across. Simple things like tagging virtual machines when they get moved into the cloud, or instead of migrating a database into an IaaS cloud, migrating the database into a database service. Simple things like that the existing IT teams don't necessarily think about, and that a cloud center of excellence can come in and pitch to them and help them along on that journey, can be serious return on investment and game changers for the delivery of cloud. Again, Cloud Center of Excellence doesn't fix everything, and there have been organizations that have had them, and either the Center of Excellence hasn't been adopted well, or hasn't been developed well, or it may not even have the ability to function within the organization. So it doesn't answer everything. But a good, well-developed Cloud Center of Excellence can be the difference between a successful cloud migration and one that maybe isn't not successful, but maybe goes on forever and ever and ever and ever and ever and never completes. If anybody wants to talk to me about Cloud Centers of Excellence or anything to do with cloud, or anybody would like to pitch or hear about any other function or feature within clouds or any specific cloud, I'd be more than welcome to do a talk about it. Just reach out to me and let me know. If privately you want to reach out to me, we can have an offline conversation about it. Cloud has reinvigorated me into the IT world. After 22 years doing network engineering and architecture, cloud became really exciting for me. So, as always, thank you very much. and let me know what you think.